name is Atul and I'm a resident of Kutubview Apartments in Katware Sarai. The problem that I have been facing is that a hotel just across the apartment complex had been playing very loud music till very late in the night, and it was disturbing the environment inside the house. So I was looking for some solution to that problem. I came to know about Fenesta from a relative of mine who recommended to me that they are the top players in the window business. And so I contacted Mr. Siddharth Sharma of Hari Kripa Interior. And at that point in time, he visited me with his team and recommended to me the kind of windows that I would need in order to efficiently block the sound that was coming inside the house. Not long thereafter, I went ahead and got the windows installed, and I can happily report that at this point in time, there is virtually no sound coming inside the house, neither from the music nor from the planes that frequently fly across my apartment complex. So I've been generally very happy with the initial recommendations, the subsequent installation, as well as the final follow-up that was done. There were at least 2 follow-ups to ensure that the installation was as good as it could be. And I am very, very happy with my decision to go along with Fenesta Windows. Thank you.